how to connect Printify to TikTok Shop. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Printify to TikTok Shop. Alright, so let's begin. So now here we are on Printify, and to connect our TikTok Shop itself, we need to click here on my new store or your store name right here. Click on that and click here on add new store. And from here you want to click here on TikTok since we want to connect you to TikTok. And from here create your store. So enter your store name, let's say sample store, and click on connect. And then from here click on I have a TikTok account if you already have one, and make sure that you have already selected the seller shipping option on my TikTok shop. So if you want to learn more what this is, you can click here on learn more and click on connect. Once you are done, and then this new window will pop up. So you simply need to select the region that you are currently selling on TikTok. And then next you would need to upload some ID verification. So this would be the primary representative. This information will be used for identification and verification processes. So just provide the details that was asked right here. And then after that is you will be providing your shop information, which is very basic. And then after that they may ask you some additional information or follow-up questions about your business on what you're selling or how you're going to sell it and whatsoever. So that's basically how you can connect Printify to TikTok shop. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.